Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Emmy from Dragon Tales. So grab your markers and follow along with me. As usual, I'm going to start with the eyes. So right here at the bottom, I'm just going to draw two straight lines. And then I'm going to curve it up, make it round on top and back. Sort of a box shape. And we'll do the same on this side as well. Then, as usual, pupils and the irises, and let's draw the light reflections, top and bottom and bottom. Let's color the pupils in. Now right between the eyes, I'm going to draw a little nose. And then right below the nose, let's draw a little smile with two little curves here on the sides of the smile. Now on both sides, I'm going to draw ears. So I'm going to draw a nice round little ear on this side. I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then just the insides of the ear, little hook. There we go. And now I'm going to draw the jawline. So from here, I'm going to go down. I'm going to draw a jawline from there, and I'm going to continue with it to the other ear. Now right on top, we're going to draw the eyebrows. So let's first draw the lower part of the eyebrow, and then we can complete it with the top part. And let's complete the other eyebrow as well. Now we're going to draw the hair, and I'm going to start there, and I'm just going to draw hair very close to the eyebrow, even touching the eyebrow. And I'll make it like this. And on this side, let's do the same thing. Just a few hooks. There we go. And now on top, I'm going to draw the top part of the hair. And you're just going to draw it all the way around and connect it. And let's do the same on this side. There we go. And we're just going to connect it. Now on the side, we're going to make a line down to the ear, and on this side you can do the same, and then we just finish the hair up on both sides. On top, a little hairband. I'll draw a little hairband like this, and then a smaller one here. There we go. And now we're going to draw a nice ponytail. And on this side. And this ponytail is going to go off on the side. So you're going to draw something like this and bring it back to the ear. And there's a ponytail. Now we're going to draw the body. First I'm going to draw the neck. I'm going to draw a small little collar and then a bigger one. And now that we have that, we're going to make two short lines both sides for her dress. And we're going to draw the dress. You can draw two lines like this. Try to copy the lines both sides. You're going to take it and connect the two lines with each other. Then this dress is going to have buttons. So we're going to make a little line and you're going to draw a few buttons. Now for two sleeves, we'll start on this side, and let's copy the sleeve on the other side as well. Now for arms, just going to draw an arm down, and on this side we're just going to draw the arm down as well, then the outside of the arm with a little hand. Let's do the same thing here, outside of our arm, a little hand. So I'm just going to draw the insides of the legs. Just two lines, and now the outside. So with a little knee, you're going to bring it straight down with a little knee like that. And now a calf, nice and curvy, and this side as well. Make it a little bit of a curve because this is a calf. There we go. And now we're going to draw the shoes. First I'm going to draw the lip of the shoe. There's one lip. and I'll draw another lip. Then I'm going to draw the shoe itself. Bring it down, nice and round, bring it up. On this side, let's do the same thing. Touching each other, there we go. And then the front of the foot, or the boot, or sneaker, whatever it is, and maybe some shoelaces. And lastly, socks. And there's Emmy. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure Emmy will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.